All right, and welcome to this free webinar. I'll be explaining to you how to make your first 100,000 naira from an importation using two simple technology that you don't actually take cognizance of, which is your Facebook and your WhatsApp. And in this training, I will teach you how to make your first 100k from an importation business. There is no hype about it. You just have to relax. You could also take a sip of coffee while you watch me do this training for you free of charge, showing you the blueprint of how you can actually make your first 100k doing mina importation business. Hi, this is Oladimi Raji. Thanks for making out time to join me on this webinar, and I promise it's going to be quite revealing. If you don't stay with me till the end of this webinar, it will worth the why. Thanks once again for joining. Now, what you need to know about me, every human being has a story tied to them. This was a former classroom teacher, now turned a seven-figure earner as far as the internet is concerned. Now, once again, my name is Oladimeji Raji. I am a seven-figure earner, a serial entrepreneur because I have a variety of businesses I do that is on the internet. I'm a self-taught individual with highly sought-after digital skills and ideas. I have trained a retinue of Nigerian youth on digital skills, ranging from website design, graphics design, blogging, importation, and freelancing to mention a few. Now, my consistency with digital ideas have given me prominence in digital space in Nigeria. I've been invited to speak at different digital and internet business platforms, notably Nigeria Internet Business Conference, NIBC, also Sarah Talks. I've also featured on many Nigerian radio stations promoting digital ideas, some of which include Star FM 101.5 FM here in Lagos, also RC 102.3 FM, radio content are now called Max FM. Now, my mission is to see how Nigerians can embrace digital evolution to reduce unemployment amongst youth. Now, I strongly hold this vision that digital technology will be the next oil cash cow for Nigeria. Now, pictures they say doesn't lie. This way, the friend's visit I had to Radio Continental. This was when I was invited to Radio Continental to come talk about digital businesses, which I also highlighted how importation is actually one of the best way to make money in Nigeria. Also, I featured on a money program on Star FM, still dishing out values on how you can actually become a self-employed person, leveraging the power of the internet in selling imported products from the comfort of your homes. Now, so why am I qualified to teach you how to make your first 100k from an importation business? You need to find out what skills have I got, what can I do for you. Now, I started importation far back in 2011. That was the year I decided I was not going to teach again, and I made my first 600k that first year. Yeah, no hype about it. I made so much failures starting with the wrong platform. But when I was about closing the year, cumulatively, I was able to do 600,000 naira worth of businesses as far as importation is concerned. Also, I'm the CEO of Crest Marketing. What we do is a platform for procurement, sales, and marketing of imported products. We buy, we procure items, and we also design how it will be marketed digitally without actually having to hawk product around using the power of the internet. You're going to see this as we proceed. I'm a mastercraft funnel creator for selling any type of products. Now, basically, when they talk about funnel, you get to understand it as we proceed. How do you want your customers to come into your sales net, whereby you can actually offer them what you're selling, and then keep them in there whenever you're having a related offer you can actually sell to them. So it's kind of the kind of funnel you use in dripping that oil into a jerry can. Also, I'm an in-depth digital marketing strategist that helps me sell product online easily. Yeah, if there's something I know how to do best is how I can actually take anything to the internet space and then I'm going to sell it, be it ideas, be it physical products, even if you package shit and give to me and say go sell it online, I'm going to sell it and then return money back to you. And you know, you are part of this webinar thanks to my digital marketing skills. If I had not actually put something or a presence online, you might not have met me. Do you understand? So many of these are what I actually do. And let's get into the training proper. This is actually meant to be an introductory video. Now what you'll be learning from today's webinar is that I'm going to show you how and where to get hot product for ridiculous cheap price and sell for 4 times the price right here in Nigeria. This is super hot. Now once I'm done with this introductory video, you're going to get a link down on this website where you can actually click on to actually go in and then watch the first training, how you can get any kind of product ridiculously cheap into this country and then sell it 4 times the amount. Now after you're going to be watching another video training that's going to show you your first 100k formula. Now results differs. I always say this, when I started I was making a little that I can actually make at that time because of the knowledge I had and because of the skills I possessed and because of the information at my disposal as of that time. Now today I make 7 figures doing importation. It's going to be a kind of relevant project for you if you kind of say, oh, you're going to make the same 7 figure within a week, within a month, because you know we're going to be playing in different fields and pedestal. But in my own case, I've actually have a lot of experience over the years, so which has actually drilled me on how I can actually launch any product and make a kill from it. Also, you're going to discover from me hot and profitable niches, products you need to sell and products you need to run away from. This is very important. So this is just meant to be an overview of what we're going to be covering as far as this training is concerned. And lastly, which is what you should not miss for anything, if you have a Facebook account as I speak and then you are still wallowing in poverty, you have a WhatsApp enabled phone, you carry WhatsApp, and then you don't have anything to your account, all you need to do is every other month or every other time your subscription for data goes off, you still need to go around and fend for money to actually get data back on your phone. Guys, you need to stop that. Start making money with what you have within on your palm. Facebook is a cash cow. Once you know how to do it, you're going to learn how you can actually move your products on Facebook, where you get tons of people begging you to come take their money, leveraging on the power of Facebook. So guys, just check the button below. You're going to see the first training down here, right here now. Click on it, then it's going to take you to where you're going to have the training on how you can get your first set of products ridiculously cheap, showing you every intricacies around how you can actually navigate the website where we actually buy from. So thank you guys, and then see you on the inside.